Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how boost your English confidence. Here are some tips about confidence consistently. Lack of motivation due to low self-esteem is another common challenge. When you don't believe in yourself, it's hard to stay motivated and engaged in the learning process. Practicing consistently and persistently is essential to building confidence. The more you practice, the more you comfortable you will become with the language, and the more confident you will feel in your abilities. Building confidence takes time and effort, but it's worth it. In the end, by setting achievable goals, practicing in a supportive environment. Hope you like the video and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates and more videos. See you in the next topic.